Meaning of formulaic.
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 Formulaic. The term formulaic refers to something that follows a standard, predictable pattern or formula. It can be used to describe a wide range of things, from writing and speech to behavior and artistic expression. When something is formulaic, it often lacks creativity or originality because it relies too heavily on a prescribed set of rules or patterns. This can result in a feeling of monotony or predictability. Despite this, formulaic approaches can be useful in certain contexts, such as when precision and consistency are important.